Hi, I'm going to be making the Hawaii beef today. I have about 8 ounces of beef, 2 ounces of red pepper, 2 ounces of onion, and 1 ounce of green onion, and few sliced ginger, about 2 ounces of green bean. And for the sauce, I use half cup of water, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. For the seasoning the beef, I use 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, black pepper. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cooking wine, and 1 tablespoon of oil in it. Then I mix. Okay, I leave it there. And I put all the sugar, soy sauce, and ketchup, and the vinegar. Okay, I'm turning on the heat, so I'm put some oil in it. Put all the beef in it. Okay, let's stir. And I don't need that much oil, so I remove some oil from that. Then I stir fry ginger. And I use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and I put 2 tablespoons of water in it. Okay, then I put all the beef in it. Then I put the cornstarch with water in it. Okay, I have today the Hawaii beef.